Hey there guys, Erica here from Highway 49 RC. As you can see, I have finished painting the Gelande and the cage, and today's project is getting all the accessories on the outside, installing lights on the body, and by the end of this video, the entire thing will be done, which I think is pretty cool. It's been a long time coming, and I'm excited to finish it up, so yeah, we'll jump into it here in a minute. Painting on the cage turned out great. Bumper looks even better painted, I gotta say. It looks really good. And this is the paint scheme that I went with for the body. Black and gray. The gray is, if you're wondering, it is TS99. It's IJN gray. No. What's that? Oh yeah, I was right. IJN gray. And then in the bed, I did something a little bit special. I put bed liner in there. Let me get a close-up for you guys. Alright, there you go, see? I put bed liner. It's all kind of rough in there. Yeah. I thought that was a cool touch that I added. I'll be doing a video on how to add bed liner to your scale vehicle here soon after this video gets released. I'm filming this like a couple weeks in advance, but once this video comes out, there will be another video out soon about how to make bed liner for yourself, because it's super easy, and I'm happy with the way that I did it. So, yeah, with that, I think it's about time to get started. Everything has been glued onto the body that needs to be, including like the steering wheel and the interior. As you can see, it looks great. Honestly, these little black details look really good, especially with the black fenders and this gray color. So what's going to happen now is I have to clean off my soldering workbench, and then I have probably 5 hours worth of soldering to do on this thing to get all the lights wired up and hot glued in. Well guys, I'm done wiring the body. It took me like probably 5 hours, and it's a little bit messy, but I'm gonna spend a bunch of time off camera cleaning all this up. It's probably an hour's worth of cleaning this up and getting everything back put together. Probably more than that actually. It's probably an hour of wire management and probably another 30 minutes of getting everything put on the chassis, which all that stuff I'm going to do off camera because pretty much everything you've seen done before, so I'm not going to show that, but I'll come back and show you guys the final product with the lights on, everything working, and yeah, I'm excited. It's about 3 o'clock in the afternoon right now, so I'm going to see how long it takes me to get this done. You guys can't tell me that this ain't the most badass landy you have ever seen. Oh my god, it looks so good! Let me show you the backlights. Oh yeah! Oh my god, it looks so cool! Oh yeah! This project has turned out so good. Let me turn the lights back on here. The Land Rover, the Gelande 2, the Body Chop series is finally over. This has taken me over a year to complete, and boy am I happy with the results. Man, this is the coolest build that I've ever done to date on my channel. Okay, maybe aside from the trailer, but that's different. That's not an actual, like, truck build. Oh my god, and the bumper. Yeah, dude. This build turned out so awesome. Thank you guys so much for staying with me this entire series. I know it's been a long time coming, but I think that this result is 100% worth it in the end. I hope you guys have enjoyed. Please leave a like, hit that subscribe button, comment down below if you like it, how you think it turned out. Make sure to follow me on Instagram at Howie49_RC. And until the unveiling, I will see you guys in the next one.